Today we will be making another awesome nature craft with flowers! That's right, so we will be making a flower sun catcher.
What are we waiting for, Mommy?
Let's get started!
For this awesome flower sun catcher, you will need paper plates, some contact paper, some beautiful flowers, pencils, markers or crayons, a pair of scissors, something round to measure. We will be using a glass bowl, and some string. Let's get started. Step 1. Draw a circle in the middle of a paper plate. We are using a ball to trace around. Now, cut out the circle. Now use some crayons or markers to decorate and create patterns around the edge of the paper plate. Step 2. Measure and cut 2 pieces of contact paper into a circle. They should be slightly bigger than the hole cut in the paper plate. This is such a great activity for kids to work on their fine motor skills and have fun at the same time. Step 3. Stick one of the plastic circles over the hole you cut in the paper plate. Flower time! Stick the flowers onto the contact paper. You can add as many flowers and get as creative as you wish. Now add the second circle of contact paper on top of the flowers to keep them in place. Step 4. Make a small hole at the top of the paper plate using the scissors. Now thread the string through and tie a knot at the end. Hang the flower sun catcher in the window. Wow, it looks so beautiful!
And that's it! It was super easy and our sun catcher looks super awesome, right?
Yes, I love it!
Well, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you all next time. Goodbye!
Mwah, mwah.